Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove margin from third page in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, open a Docs document. We can see here some pages. Now we want to remove the margin only from the third page. Separate the third page to this document. Now I am go to the second page last and go to the insert menu. Select the break option and make a section break continuous. Then we select the third page first and go to the insert menu. Select the header option. Now we can see the last page is a section 2 and the another page is section 1. Now I am click the header option and go to the file menu. Select the page setup option. Now I am remove the margin or decrease the margin size. Now I am make 0.5. Then click OK. Then click inside that page. Now we can see we remove the margin only from the third page, but not the whole page. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.